the list of companies supporting Ripple, backing Ripple versus the SEC keeps growing. Now, this is very important, and I will let you know why it's extremely important that these 11 companies are now backing Ripple. It it is extremely bullish, and Goldman Sachs is now going to offer a service in which they're going to classify cryptocurrencies. This is for their customers, and this will definitely help their customers. But I'll let you know why they are actually doing this. And when it comes to the Federal Reserve in the U.S. or in Europe and the Bank of England, we're going to be talking about what's going on with inflation and when I think we are going to see a bull run again. Uh, I'll give you my thoughts and let me know if you agree or disagree. But let's get back to Ripple. And definitely, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Helps the channel tremendously. And why not hit the like button? I do appreciate it. Thank you. Now, let's start with Ripple. This is very important, in my opinion. Now, I'm going to read some of the article and then I'll tell you why I believe this is extremely important. So, this new company, new to backing Ripple. This is what the article says. With Cryptalian payment systems, an online digital wallet service for retail customers and commercial retail businesses that use XRP, has asked to file an amicus brief yesterday. The company hereby supports Ripple opposition to the SEC summary judgment motion. Now, this is why I believe all these companies supporting Ripple gives us more confidence in knowing that Ripple will either get a extremely favorable settlement or they will win the lawsuit. Now, why do I say this? Well, all these entities, all these companies, these exchanges, they all have legal departments, and they all have combined thousands of lawyers giving advice to these companies. Now, all of these lawyers, they are probably watching the Ripple vs. SEC case, and these are experts in legal issues, and all of these people, all of these attorneys, they're telling these companies, hey, go ahead, you can support Ripple. It's very likely that they will win. Now, in the past, 6 months ago, we barely would see companies talking about Ripple. They didn't even want to talk about it. It was basically people that were talking about XRP. Sometimes they would make fun of. It was just just regular investors making fun of other investors, just retail investors. So, of course, all these companies like Coinbase, Digital Commerce, they were not gonna even touch. They were not gonna talk about Ripple at all. Now that things are looking better for Ripple, we are seeing coming in support, coming towards supporting Ripple. Now, I know that before they came out in support for Ripple, they consulted with their legal teams. Now, if their legal teams gave them the go ahead, it shows that Ripple will win this case, or has a 99% chance of winning this case, because all these legal teams, they're not gonna just say go ahead and associate with Ripple, go ahead and be friendly to Ripple if they didn't think Ripple was at a very good position of winning this case. In the past, they didn't want to go against the SEC because they thought that the SEC was very likely to win the case. Now, things have turned, and it's looking very different for Ripple. And bottom line is, we have the legal teams, probably thousands of lawyers combined, basically being bullish on Ripple. And these are, like I said, experts. Before we move on, I'm going to read the list of people, companies supporting Ripple. Coinbase, iRemit, the Chamber of Digital Commerce, the Crypto Council for Innovation, Valhalla Capital, Blockchain Association, SpendBits, TapJets, ICANN, John Ditton on behalf of over 75,000 XRP investors, and now Cryptillion Payment Systems. 11 entities are now supporting Ripple with an amicus brief filing. That is awesome. Now, let's move on to Goldman Sachs. A few years back, most of the Goldman Sachs bankers were saying that cryptocurrencies had no future. And now they have joined forces with a crypto company. So they have joined forces with Coinmetrics, which is a crypto. It started as a crypto channel on YouTube, and it has expanded to a service. They offer investment advice. They offer. They show you why they believe certain coins are going to do better than others, and they are 100% involved with crypto. That's how they started. But now Goldman Sachs is partnering with them to create a classification system for cryptos. I'm going to read some of the article. Banking behemoth Goldman Sachs is set to unveil a cryptocurrency classification system for hundreds of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, XRP, Shiba Inu, Solana, and hundreds of other tokens. So I believe this is from pressure from their customers saying, hey, we're interested in this cryptocurrency coins. You need to give us some advice on how to buy them. You need to offer them. Basically, their customers, whether it be institutions or just regular institutional, just regular investors like you and I, they are pushing Goldman Sachs to create a classification. But so this is how they're going to classify. Well, let's look at the service. The new service, which is called Dataonomy, has been developed in partnership with cryptocurrency intelligence firm Coinmetrics and finance company MSCI. It aims to be a comprehensive framework for the global cryptocurrency ecosystem that will make it easier for institutional investors to navigate a complex and dynamic industry. So basically, like I said, it was their clients pushing them to move towards that, and this is how it's going to work. In order to get better grasp of digital assets, institutional investors will be able to view them with various classes and sectors. Various cryptocurrencies have been divided into metaverse, blockchain utilities, decentralized finance, specialized tokens, application utilities, value transfer tokens, business services, and other utilities. Now, I'm pretty sure they're also gonna have a classification for risk, how some cryptos are riskier than others, and that is great news. It's gonna help people invest, get more into. It's gonna help more people move into crypto. But Goldman Sachs creating a classification system for crypto. It's awesome news because it shows crypto, like I've said many times before, but it's the reality. Crypto isn't going away. When we see these world companies, these world banks adopting crypto, it shows that there is no going back. So definitely awesome news. Now let's talk about the Federal Reserve, the Bank of England, and everything crypto markets. So when when is it going to be a good time to invest, or when are we going to see actually a bull market? Let's see. So I'm going to read the article. Bank of England raises interest rates to 3%, largest jump in 33 years. The UK is battling with high double-digit inflation. The economic situation has not been improved in recent months. The UK recorded a 10.1 inflation in October, the second time in 3 months. Now, that's in Europe. The that's in Europe. The Bank of England, 10% inflation. They're raising interests. And what do we see in the U.S.? The Federal Reserve yesterday coming out raising 75 basis points. They are keeping with their interest rates. They're not slowing down. They're going to keep on fighting inflation. They seem extremely aggressive. Their goal is to, well, what this is going to do to the economy, first of all, is going to, those rate increases, it's going to slow down the economy. Not good for the economy, but it's the only way to bring down the 8.2 inflation that we have in the U.S. Now, it's going to slow down the economy. There is going to be less money for investing. So I believe that for the next few months, at least until March of next year, 2023, we're gonna keep seeing the crypto market trade sideways. I don't think we're gonna see a bull run anytime soon. I don't think we're gonna see a bull run at the end of the year, at the end of 2022. I think the Federal Reserve was clear. They're going to keep on slowing down the economy. Now, we're going to see sideways actions, and because it seems like they're being very aggressive. The prices might actually go to a new all-time low, uh, to a new bottom in the crypto markets. We might we might see Bitcoin under 15K, um, and then stay there for a while around that area. And then this is the main thing. This is how you know. Um, you you don't need to be trying to guess what's gonna happen. This is how I know. This is when I know the bull market is gonna return. Once we see the Federal Reserve uh, easing up on their interest rates raises, until they stop raising interest rates. When they go actually and start lowering interest rates, then we'll see a bull run. And it's actually really good because if you think about it, you don't have to do much other than follow the Federal Reserve, and they'll let you know. They'll let you know. They're not gonna say we're gonna start a bull run in the crypto markets, but by their actions, when they start going instead of raising interest rates, when they start easing up on the interest rates or even lowering them, that's when we're gonna see more money coming into the crypto markets. So that's all you have to do. Just look at what Jerome Powell is doing, and I think you're gonna be doing all right. Just don't fight the Fed, and that's one of the most basic things that you can do, and it works usually. Now, so we're not gonna see a bull run, like I said. Sorry, I keep repeating myself, but like I said, we're not gonna see a bull run until the Federal Reserve relaxes a little bit, and until we see lower inflation. But another thing is, the only thing that could bring a bull market to the crypto market, a bull run, is a win for Ripple in SEC versus Ripple case. That's I do see that being a very important milestone in the crypto industry. We're gonna finally have one of the largest crypto companies. They're gonna have clarity on the market. They're not gonna be somewhat like illegal, or we're gonna know exactly what they're doing, and I think that's gonna bring a lot of confidence to investors. And so I believe it could happen. I don't know. I mean, Ripple could win, and the inflation could still be really high, and nothing happens. But I think that could be a good possibility. Something that important in the crypto market, or some sort of regulation that changes everything for good in the crypto markets. Is a regulation or a Ripple win, and otherwise, I believe we do have to wait, until the Federal Reserve tells us what they're gonna do. And like I said, don't fight the Fed, and you'll usually do okay. But go ahead and first of all, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. And if you here's something that helped you, or if it informed you, go ahead and please hit the like button, subscribe if you can. I really appreciate it. Thank you.